Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about git push. So what exactly is a git push we'll see, but before we go ahead I want to request you all, those who are new to my channel, please do like and please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. And if you are not aware about the concept of Git and GitHub, please go back and check my previous videos on the same so that you can get more idea on the same topic. So what exactly is a git push? In the previous session we have seen about fetch and pull operation, but what exactly is a push? So git push is nothing but pushing your changes from your local Git repository to the remote repository. So for instance, if you have checked in some changes from your working directory to your local Git repository using a commit operation, and now you want to publish it on a global scale using a remote repository, that is in our case, let's say it is a GitHub repository. In that case you will be using a command called git push. So git push is nothing but pushing or just pushing your stuff from local to a public repo. That's it, nothing more than that. So the command used for git push is git push space -v, and we will be covering the below two topics over here. One is like creating some changes in your local repository, Git repository, and then pushing it to your remote Git repository. And then we'll also see how to create a branch in a local repository and then push it to a remote repository. So these are the two topics that we are going to cover today. So let's get started. I will open my terminal. I will copy my repository from here or clone my repository. Go inside this particular folder. Now I'll do one thing. I will just change something in local. So I'll just change this particular file, that is sample file.txt. I will go to insert mode and I will modify the file something like this, and I will just save it. Now when we do this, you can see this file is modified and has to be tracked. So I will just do one thing. I will add it to a staging area and then commit, or I can just use a direct command called commit with a space -a, in which it's directly added to the staging area as well as move to commit. So I will do a git commit with -a. And it is done. Now if you see the status, this is all on track. So means the local Git repository is on track and everything is now pushed to your local Git repository. Now if you see here, if I just refresh this particular Git repository, you will see this particular file has not been modified because the changes has not been pushed from local repository to your Git repository or your GitHub repository. So I will do one thing. I will type a command called git push space -v, hit enter. Now you can see it is performing a git push and it has done the git push, and now you can see the pointer has moved from EA1F to 87db. If I refresh this, you can see the change has come over here. And if I go to our history, so you can see the latest commit is 87db, that is over here. And the last one was 8 or EA1F, that is over here. So it says like the push operation has been performed and the pointer has moved from 8 or EA1F to 87db. One more thing over here, if you're doing the push operation for the first time, it might ask you for username and password. So please provide that. Once you are done with that, it will directly push your changes and it will not ask again and again the same credentials. So that's it on the push operation to push your changes from local repository to your remote repository. Now we'll do one thing. We'll create one more branch over here. So I will say git branch, let's say 11. And you can see the branch has been created. I will do a git checkout. We have checked out to this particular branch. If I check the branch, you can see there are two branches over here. Now with this particular branch, I will try to do a git push. So you can see it has failed because the git push says like the branch 11 has no upstream branch. To push the current branch and set the remote as upstream, use this particular command. So we'll use this command over here and I'll type it, hit enter. You can see now it is performing a git push for the particular branch, and yes, this particular branch has been pushed. Now if I check the branch over here, so I'll go to branches and I'll do all branch. So you can see now the branch 11 has been pushed over here. So in this session we have seen how to create some changes in your local and push it to your remote repository, and as well as we have seen how to create a new branch and push the same to your remote repository. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.